Hi! I just got back from the allergy doctor. Sinus infection. I have really weak sinuses, and that's the cause of the cough and why it happens every year, according to my CT scan. I can't see any of that stuff. It just kind of goes over my head and goes whoosh. So I'm being treated for that. More drugs, antibiotic, inhaler, nasal spray. It's been a fun month this month. And then I go back in like a month to do an allergy skin test thing, I guess. I don't know. This guy's a little, I don't know, whatever. So they're treating it as best they can. Hopefully next year we'll try and do prevention work and see if I can beat it to the punch. So we're not treating it after like we are right now. Pain in my side. But at least this one didn't take 3 hours. The appointment didn't take 3 hours. It still took a good hour. About an hour. Yeah, about an hour. Maybe, I don't know. But I'm just glad it wasn't 3. So, anyway, that's the cough update. Birthday on Sunday. So now, yeah. And I'll post more later. Because, I just got home. Ran to go get my prescription filled and ate lunch. And so now I'm home. I have to go back and get my prescription. I just feel like I've just been on so much medication this month and other stuff that I'm like, I want to be done. So, we'll see. Hopefully this works. And if not, I give up. I think my body is just telling me to give up. So, talk to you guys later. Bye.